The sky wept tears we couldn't see, a quiet storm between you and me. Your words fell soft and broke apart, a fractured rhythm in my heart. I walked through puddles of what we knew, every drop reminded me of you. The clouds drift heavy, cold and gray, and all our love just washed away. I reached for warmth in pouring skies, but only felt the emptiness of goodbyes. And every drop that hit the ground echoed the silence where love was found. Broken rain falling from above, drowning the remnants of our love. Every heartbeat drifts with the tide, since you left me with no guide. Broken rain, shadows in the night, I loved you through the fading light. Now all that's left is sorrow and pain, and the world cries with broken rain. The streets remember your fleeting smile, but even that fades after a while. I trace the patterns where raindrops fall, searching for traces of it all. The thunder speaks what I can't say, the storm reminds me you've gone away. Even the winds whisper your name, but nothing remains, it's not the same. I reached for warmth and pouring skies, but only felt the emptiness of goodbyes. And every drop that hit the ground echoed the silence where love was found. Broken rain falling from above, drowning the remnants of our love. Every heartbeat drifts with the tide, since you left me with no guide. Broken rain, shadows in the night, I loved you through the fading light. Now all that's left is sorrow and pain, and the world cries with broken rain. If I could stop the storm somehow, I'd bring you back to me now. But some hearts fade like clouds in gray, and some love breaks and drifts away. Broken